Ma'am, page number.
Good morning once again, everyone. Page number
Ma'am,
172. 172, page number 72, and write today's date on the top of the page in your textbook. Page 172, Daksh Patel. Page 172, those who are joining now, take out textbook, page number 172. And be ready with the notebook also, because some of the work we will write also in the notebook. Now, I will read it for you. I'm going to present my screen. No talking, please, here. And my dear, before the period starts, you to be ready with your books and notebooks. 172. These all the sums which are given on page number 171. Everyone completed these sums?
Yes, ma'am.
All completed in this way only, the traditional method of
Yes,
multiplication?
ma'am.
Okay. You need to complete that. Page number 171, some multiplication sums are given. Do it in the notebook.
Ma'am, you gave a division worksheet. In
I
that you
have
have
given 2 to 3
that.
days before. Yes.
ma'am, this was to write in notebook.
Now I'm going to the next page. Yes. Any doubt to any child? Online students, please answer me. Mikdad, any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Now the next page, 172. Shantaram, a special cook. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. Means he is charging 165 for one day. Find out how much money he will get in all. Take out your notebook, write today's date. Take out your notebook, write today's date, write the chapter number, write the page number. I will write it on the screen for the students. Wait a minute. Write this sum you are going to solve in your notebook.
Ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I know how to do it because I was practicing these sums yesterday.
Very good. Date is 23. Date is 23, month is 12, and the year is 21. Chapter, very good if you know. Chapter number. They have given, let me see. Okay, students, the space is given in the textbook also. So can we do better in the textbook only?
Yes, ma'am.
They are saying, find out how much money he will get in all. Now the situation, there are two situations. One is in a month, how many, for 28 days, how much he is getting. And if he is called for all the days of the year, means 365 days, how much salary will he get? So 165 multiplied by 365. You all know if we change the multiplicand and the multiply the position, the answer in the product, is there any difference in the product? No. So in multiplication, either if we write the bigger number first or the smaller number first, there will be no change in the product. Product will be same. So the first number will call what in the multiplication? 165 is what?
Ma'am,
Multiplicand. And by which the number you multiply is called multiplier. So 365 is multiplier. Start solving this in your textbook only.
ma'am, I have done first one.
Done the first one?
Yes.
What is your answer is coming? See,
Yeah, ma'am.
165 multiplied by 28. Done, everyone? So what is your answer coming for the...
One, my answer is coming 990.
Okay. So 8 5s are...
8 5s are 840.
So this way you can write the statement also. Wages for a day is 165. Number of days are 28. So when you multiply them, what is your answer is coming?
Ma'am, we have to do this in our notebook.
Notebook. Yes, do this in your notebook. So what is your answer coming, students? I want you to do in your notebook. Today is 23, 12, 21. Page number.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. Write the statement. There are two different situations. One you need to find for 28 days. Second situation you need to find for a year which is having 365 days.
For the year, they have already given.
For that year they have already given the space, and for the month you need to find here. Wages for a day equals to rupees 165. It's for one day. Number of days are here 28. Am I audible to the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Number of days are 28 days. So total wages neatly write in your notebooks, everyone, with the date, chapter number also, page number also. So total wages equals to 165 multiplied by 28. So 165 multiplied by 28. 8 5s are 40. 40. 8 6s are
48.
plus 4. 52. 8 1s are 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5 30.
So 0 will come here or the cross. So 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12 plus 1.
13.
2 1s are 2 plus 1.
3. Ma'am, the answer is 4620.
So this is the rupees answer, because this is the amount which he will get after 28 days. Wages means salary. So 4,620 is your 28 days wages. Wages the amount which he is getting after giving the services of cooking.
Ma'am, is it okay for that salary? I will find the answer of year.
What is the answer of this? Is done by online students?
10,725.
Just let me check with the students. Done? Nishika is online today.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, may I see the answer? Ma'am, can I use
Yes, ma'am.
6,225?
Let me check.
60,225.
Beta, let me check. Let me take the attendance for a minute.
Yes, ma'am. 16,225.
Okay. So this is done for 28 days, online students.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can we find for 365 days? This you can do in your textbook also.
Ma'am, I had done.
But can we do this in our
No
notebook
problem.
only?
If you are doing in notebook, no problem. If you are doing in the textbook, no problem.
Ma'am, I had got the answer of this.
Tell me.
61,010.
This is your answer on the screen. Just check.
Ma'am, it's 59,455.
Megdad, your answer is not the same the way it is showing on the screen. I will. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Now go to the story problems. Ear and ears. Sohan drink 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses will he drink in 1 month?
Ma'am, it would be 8 multiplied by 30.
Yes.
And ma'am, you were told in between we take 30 because in maths we consider month is as
Normal. Yes. So it will be multiply 8 multiply by 30. Yeah, and you know 8 multiplied by 3 is, and add the 0 at the back. 240. Do it in the textbook only.
How many classes will it take? Here and here one in the notebook, but we have to do it with the math which is a Santra special book.
Huh.
Diana changed seat and Katrina said not to.
How many glasses? Online students done?
How many classes?
Online students done?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why online students are not active? They are not part. Wait.
When we change the place.
And I request online students to be active and turn on their cameras, please. Rudra Jajaria, Yash Desai, Gunav, Mohit, Nishika. Why your cameras are off? Mohit and Nishika.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay, and what about Mohit?
Ma'am, it is showing your video quality.
Mohit and Nishika, this is last time I'm allowing you without the camera. Please, you need to attend the class with camera on.
Video quality is showing.
Okay, till here it's done. What problems? Ears and ears. First is done. How many glasses will you drink in a 1 month? And be active online students. You need to give me answer yes or no.
Ma'am, can you start doing the second one?
Start doing the second one, students.
Okay, ma'am.
How many glasses will he drink in 1 year? So you are going to multiply 8 with which number?
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
have a
Nishika.
doubt. So if we do it in 1 month, it drinks 26 glasses and then multiply by 365 days, then you will get the answer.
Yes, if you know for the 1 month 240 and you want to multiply with the number of months also, then also you will get. With the 12 also you will do, then also okay. Which one?
I'm getting 2920.
8 5s are 40.
Yes.
6 are 48 plus 4 52. 8 1 8 9 10 30. Here I want to explain you one thing which you please understand in the question number 2. How many glasses will he drink in 1 year? Either you can multiply 8 by 365, then also the answer will come same. Or if you multiply 240 with the 12, then also the answer will same. Dhyan Dalal, have you understood this concept? Why? Why?
How will 30 by 8
Just try to do it. Wait a minute. 1 day 8 classes. There are total 365 days in a year. Multiply it with the 8 and find the answer. 8 5 is 40. 8 6 is 48 plus 4.
8 is 52.
8 3 is
8 3 is 24 plus
5.
29.
Just a minute. Let me do. 24 plus 5, 29. And if I do it with this method, 240 multiplied by 12, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4 and 1 twos are 2, 0, 8, 8, 2. No, something is...
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This problem is proper, but the answer is not same.
Answer is not coming same.
Yes, ma'am. Also, ma'am,
But if you have for the 1 month, you can easily find for the 12 months now. Why multiplying with 240 multiplied by 12? Go to the next question. If 125 people, we will see it later. Okay. So 240 multiplied by 12. No. Yes.
If 125 people were, first we have to multiply 8 by 365 or 8 by 125.
First you multiply 125 by 8.
And we know what is 8 multiplied by 365. 2920.
125 people are there, na? There is no, this is for one people.
Yeah.
So in the third question, what you will do, online students? Online students are not answering at all. How they will study then mathematics, my dear? Give response, speak something. Rudra Chachadia, Yash, Nishika, answer beta. Rudra, am I audible? Your voice is not coming now. Please speak. Turn on your mic. Rudra, your mic is off. Migdad, turn on your mic.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Please hear. Just a minute. Give me 2 minutes. So, my dear ma'am, Nishika, no, I cannot hear you. I can only hear Yash this side.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Nah, yes, Migdad, I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes. Can we go to the next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move? Please respond timely, please.
Yes, ma'am, we can move next question.
Okay. So, Yash, can you tell me how many people are there in the third question?
125 people living. 125 people are there.
And 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Each one is drinking
ma'am.
8 glasses of water. How much water will they drink in a year? So first of all, you need to find for a... Yes, first of all, what you will do, you have to multiply 125 with the 8. Is for 1 day. Then you have to multiply for... Do it, I will check your answers. Do it.
For 365.
365,000.
Yes,
365,000.
3,60,000 it is coming. Just let me solve. Come here.
4,320.
First is 125 multiplied by 8 for the 1 day. Multiplied by 12. have not done anything. How the 31,000 will come? I will go to the next because you need to solve these sums and show it to me in the class tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am, I wanted to ask one more thing. If we do 125 multiplied by 365, and what we get the answer?
Multiply by 8, then also right.
Ma'am, can I
There
tell
is
the
8 glasses
answer?
of water in a day. This is 125 multiplied by 8. Whatever the answer will come is coming for one day. Then
Ma'am,
multiply by
can I say
30.
125 multiplied by 8 equal to 1000?
And then multiply by the number of the days in a year.
Okay, ma'am.
You have not understood. Wait a minute, online students. Let me. Let me solve this. See, it is 125 people are there. They are drinking 8 glasses in a day. 8 glasses of 40 plus 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 9, 10. 1,000.
Ma'am, the answer will be 3,65,000.
And then when you multiply it for the one, it will be 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros.
Answer will be 4,320.
30,000. And then you multiply it with the 12. 30,000 multiplied with the 12.
Ma'am, the row multiplied by 12 will be 30.
It will be
365.
yes.
365,000, but it's showing 360. Ma'am, this can be really simple if you just multiply 125.
It will be 3,60,000, not 3,65,000. I'll tell you why. Okay, because you children are doing what you are doing. You are calculating for one. Better the way we have done the first sum, na? By first we calculated for the 1 month. Then we calculated by multiplying with the 12. Same way here also first we calculate for the 1 month. 1,000 in a day. 1,000 multiplied by 30 will be what? Because in a month there are 30 days.
Yes,
So it will be 30,000. And when 30,000 will multiply by the 12 will give you what? 3,60,000. Am I clear, online students?
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhan is doing something. Yes, Ridhan?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Nishika, I can hear you.
Okay.
Very good, Ridhan. Keep down. Any confusion to any child? Can we go to the next word problem? If Zoha's heart beats 72 times in 1 minute, statements. I am verbally explaining you, but you need to solve these all word problems with the statement in your notebook and show it to me tomorrow. Very good. So listen, am I audible to the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Guna, it seems you're not doing anything, just turning the cameras.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now you have to give me the answer, students. I will not explain. I will just read it for you. Listen it carefully. Look into your textbooks. There is still whispering coming from your side, students. If Zoha's heartbeat is 72 times in 1 minute, how many times does it beat in 1 hour? And in 1 hour, how many minutes are there?
1 hour 60 minutes. So why you will do 24? Now I need to first convert 24.
7. Directly you will minute.
No.
Because in 1 minute it is 72 times. So in 60 minutes, how many times?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Yes, please give the answer.
Ma'am, 21 hours.
Four.
ma'am, 72 multiplied by 60.
Ma'am,
Yes, 4,000.
4,320.
See, I am
70 multiplied by 60, 4,000.
This is the short form which we are directly doing. You need to solve them in your notebook. Yes, yes. Very good. 1 month, days in a year, 12. Very good. In this way, I want in the notebook. Show it to them that ma'am is expecting this work. Show them, everyone. I am expecting the way she has done the work. Now find out how many times it beats in 1 day. 1 day, how many minutes? In 1 hour, 60 minutes. 1 day, how many minutes? 1 hour, 60 minutes. 160 multiplied by 20.
51,840. 51,840.
1728.
You have calculated already for 1 hour, which is 4,300. It is nothing written on my face, Janshili. It's
Ma'am, the answer will be 1228.
yes. 1,000. So 4,000.
1728.
How 1,728, bacha?
Ma'am, it will be 1,03,060.
1 lakh mein answer will come, bacha.
This is for those who has hard people. This will be alright.
Huh.
The statement.
Yes.
I'll do these.
Write little big and neat.
Okay.
Aryaman, any confusion? Because you're not doing. So how the confusion will come?
With the these we have to just do 72 multiplied by 60.
Because for 1 minute it's 72 and for 60 minutes it will be 4,320. 125 people living in a colony. Bring pencil. Here, come. 125 people drinking 8 glasses of water. So 125 multiplied by 8. This is for the
Ma'am,
one.
can I tell the answer?
Wait a minute. 1,000 is for 1 day. 1 day multiplied by 30 for a 1 month will be 30,000. 30,000 for the 1 month, and there are 12 months in a year. When you multiply with 12, you will get 3,60,000.
So we have to make these 3 lines 3 times.
That depends on you, the language statement you
Please,
use.
can I tell the answer?
Yes, please.
24 lakhs.
No.
1,02,880.
4320 is coming for the 1 hour, and 4320
Ma'am, 2 lakhs.
will multiply by the 24 because there are 24 hours. Next. Can I do this on the board?
I calculated in minutes a day and then I multiplied it by 7.
First, already we have done one step, which is this 72 multiplied by 60, which is coming for 1 hour. Now, by 1 hour multiplied by the 24 for the 24 hours. So, if it is 4320 multiplied by the 24 for the 24 hours, 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16 plus 1, 17. 2 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8. When you add them, your answer is coming this. 1 lakh. That way also you can do, but first step you have already done. Why don't you make your work easy? If you have already done the first step, that in 1 hour 72 times, in 1 minute 72 times, so in 1 hour it is 4,320 times. Show me. You have done which way? First you have multiplied what? Okay, 60 multiplied by 24. So you have calculated how many minutes in a day?
1,400.
This is your total number of minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then these minutes you multiplied by which number? 72.
Ma'am, ma'am, I got it. Why she is getting this answer? You converted it to minutes. So you will get the answer in minutes. So now convert that answer into hours.
No, let me read that.
Ma'am,
So now you want to convert multiply to 72.
she can do like that. She removed the minutes, so she will get the answer in the minutes. So she will get to convert into hours, so she will get the answer. Simple. Then I did the
Okay. Online students clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Count your own heartbeat to find out how many times your heart beats in a week. Now it is your heartbeat. You can take any number as your heartbeat and find out for it. Don't do this with now Soha's heartbeat. Do find your heartbeat in a minute and find it for a 1 week. Guess any number. Guess any number. That your heartbeat is this much in a 1 minute. So in 1 day it will be this much, and in 1 week it will be this much. Any confusion? Can you do this question?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am. We can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I am taking, my heartbeat is 80 times in a 1 minute. So if it is 80 times in 1 minute, how many times it will be in 1 hour? 80 times in 1 minute. How many? Bihan, Karnav. They don't want to do. 80 multiplied by 60 you did. So 80 multiplied by 60, 48 and 20, 4,800. Yes. So this you can try up on your situation. Take your book, beta. You need to do this now. Now next is coming. A baby elephant drinks around 12. They can do this. 12 liters of milk every day. Every day, 12 liters. How much milk will it drink in 2 years? So you will multiply 12 with which number? Why can't we multiply with 24?
Oh.
No, yeah, 365, 365.
And 365 plus 361, what answer we get to multiply direct point?
With the 12, yes.
Multiplication is
Repeated addition. So can we do it in this way also? 2 liters of a milk every day. How many in a 1 month? How many in a 1? 12 multiplied by 30, we can do it? Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
360. Ma'am, 360 liter milk.
So 30 multiplied by 12, 36 and 1 0 will be added.
4,320.
So it is 360 liters in 1 month. Can we multiply it with the 24 because there are 2 years? 1 year is having 12 months. This is for 1 month. For 12 months, it will be and for 24 months. So multiply and find the answer.
Ma'am, he will drink
How much?
8,640 in 2 years.
Let me check.
Ma'am, we can do 2 multiplied by 3 would be 6 and 2 multiplied by 6 would be 12. And it would be
So let me check what your answer is coming.
8,640 liter.
And they are doing with 8,000.
640.
640.
No, ma'am, 8,000. Yeah, ma'am, 8,640.
Or they are doing with the help of 365. You there? So children, read these questions. One more is left. Read it. We will discuss in the next class and complete those who have not completed in the online class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.